Hello everyone, welcome to Gigi and Papa's Kitchen.
Hi kids. Today we are making some chicken creamy pasta.
Chicken creamy pasta it is.
And
also like chicken Alfredo or
yep,
yeah.
Something along those lines.
Yeah, that's what we're having.
We have our leftover chicken from the other night when we made our gyros.
Absolutely.
So please check out that video.
Yep.
And we are going to kind of wing this here just a little bit, and that's okay.
Yeah.
So I have some bacon grease and some butter, and we're going to get some flour and make a roux.
Yep, she had about a half a stick of butter and some bacon grease. She's got her some water boiling for her rotini.
Thank you.
And that's going in right now, she said.
The water's salted.
Yep. She's put salt in the water, had that boiling.
Go.
What kind of noodles? Rotini.
We're going rotini, about a half a box. Because it's just the two of us.
Absolutely. Trying not to what?
Trying not to burn everything.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
What we got?
I'm just going to add in a good little sprinkle dink of flour, just all-purpose flour. Get this, whoops.
Yep.
There you go. This in here a little bit. I don't want to get this this too dry.
You making a roux or?
Yes, sir, I am. A little roux. That should be plenty.
All right. We hope everyone's having a wonderful day today.
Yes, we do. We pray everyone's safe with the weather and
yep.
happy and
healthy and loving life.
Having a good Wednesday.
Yes. She's going in with a little milk, whole milk.
A little bit of whole milk. I have some heavy cream here too that we'll be using, but we're going to get this roux going.
Absolutely.
Get the flour stuff cooked out.
So probably about a cup of milk.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Now we're going to go in with our seasonings. This is some good sweet smoked paprika. And this is some onion powder. Looks like it's time to get a new one of them. And some garlic powder.
Garlic. We use a lot of garlic. We use a lot of onion. We use what we got here?
Just a small sprinkle of Italian seasoning.
Okay.
My favorite Greek seasoning.
Absolutely.
I like to use that instead of salt. And because we like a little heat, we're going to go with a little shake of cayenne.
Yeah, we just bought a new bottle of cayenne. We use a lot of it.
We do.
Yeah.
There we go. We're going to let those seasonings hang out for a minute, and we'll go to the next step.
Yep.
Okay, and then I have just about a quarter piece of cream cheese left in the butter drawer, so we're going to add that. It'll give it some good creaminess. Broke up smaller pieces.
Big.
And then I'm going to go with this fairly small scoop of sour cream. So it's kind of, you could call this like a chicken stroganoff, I guess, maybe.
Absolutely.
But I'm going to call it creamy chicken pasta.
There you go. Creamy chicken pasta. Made with love.
That's right. And I have one little piece of little craft single hanging out in the door. So we're going to go ahead and use that in there too.
Absolutely.
These noodles, they're still cooking away. They're good. They're happy. Just going to cook this down for a little bit. And
then after all of that melts, she's going to add her
chicken.
Yep.
And then the pasta.
All right.
Kids, sorry, I went ahead and put the bag of chicken in here. See that swimming around in there?
She didn't put a whole lot of chicken.
Mm-mm. We did a half of that bag.
Yeah, just enough where we can get some each bite. So you can add as much as you like or as little as you like. We like chicken, but we want to taste some pasta and other stuff with it.
Just gonna get this all nice and creamy.
Absolutely.
And I'm gonna throw in a little shake of
crushed red pepper.
Crushed red pepper.
So with the crushed red pepper and the other hot stuff, it ought to be pretty good.
I think so. It smells pretty good.
It does smell good. Yep, she's coming right along. You could also add mushrooms or onions, peppers up to this if you like.
Actually, I have a half a bag of peas.
There you go.
You put some peas in there, that'd be good.
Absolutely.
Thanks for the idea, Papa.
She's going in with some peas.
Some frozen peas.
Absolutely.
Great idea. Thank you, Papa.
Like I said, you can add whatever you want to.
Yes.
Just make it with love and it'll be delicious. I mean.
And if you need to thin out your gravy anymore, I just happen to have this extra chicken broth in the fridge. So I'm going to add just a little bit of that.
And she put some cheese. What kind of cheese was that?
Some hot pepper cheese.
Oh, there you go. Some more heat. And you can use Tabasco. You can, I mean, it depends how hot you like it.
Look at your idea. How much better
Look
that
there,
looks.
boy.
See? Teamwork makes the dream work, kids.
That's right. There ain't no lying team.
No, sir.
And she went in with the rest of the noodles.
Boy, kids.
And we have made a big old pot of,
Anyone's hungry?
yeah, we wish y'all was here.
We do. Because there's no way we will.
We got a big old thing, a big old pan of chicken, noodles,
Creamy chicken.
peas.
Pasta.
Pasta.
Peas. Wow.
It looks good. It smells delicious.
Really good.
And that right there, y'all, is dinner. We hope that y'all give it a try. We just want to tell y'all how much we really, really appreciate every one of you's like. Your subscribing, your comments. They mean the world to us, and we greatly appreciate y'all.
Y'all have a blessed day. We love you, and be happy.
See you soon.
Bye, kids.
Thanks, y'all.